Have you bothered to get the bolts for this when it gets up in the air, or you just gonna all stand around and look at each other?
They're on it.
Oh, nice, Mark.
They're on it, Mark. We got it right here. We got it covered.
I've known Mark for 30 years. I know how he thinks. He came over to babysit us on the motor. He didn't need to. He just likes to be the big man on campus. We don't need babysat. We can take care of it ourselves.
Whoa!
That should be good. That should be good on there.
And we're leaking energies.
Oh, somebody didn't put the pin in that leg. They're running around like everything's everything, throwing wrenches and stuff. Next thing I know, the motor's all over the ground. Well, I guess everything isn't everything, is it?
Well, what just happened is the pin was missing in the leg. I knew it when I started to lift it up. I looked for it, had somebody else to look for it. Nobody found it, obviously.
God, you guys are miracles, just walking miracles. Everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.